I trust in a Europe where my rights are going to be respected and represented in Brussels.
Establishing the office of Youth Ombudsman in the European Union is extremely important.
For them to have reference institutions in their national countries, but also in the European level through ombudsman mechanisms.
Well, I believe that this is a very interesting and creative idea to establish the ombudsman institution, what is a pan-European institution, to protect the rights of youth.
For the young people to stand by their rights.
Parliamentarians for the Youth is a program undertaken by the Organization for Youth, Education and Development and the Inter-Parliamentary Alliance for Human Rights and Global Peace.
Looking at the situation in many countries in Southern Europe where the youth unemployment rate is 60%, I think that clearly underlines the need for more European youth policies, not only individual member countries trying to tackle the challenges the youth face today alone, but rather working more together to help the youth.
Youth empowerment is very important to get the youth opinion on different political decisions. And it's very important to have the voices of youth involved in politics today.
We're talking about respecting young people, taking their views on board and acting on them, not talking down to them, talking on the same level with them, listening to them, giving them respect and dignity and acting on what they have.
Join and support our initiative, European Parliamentarians for the Youth, to promote greater opportunities for the European youth of these days.